My name's Ros Bastian. I'm a member of the MG Car Club of New South Wales. I come from Sydney, and my husband and I have been MG owners for a long time. Love the brand, committed totally to MGs. The car is a 1937 MG TA, which is the first of the T-type series. This one I bought in 2015. John, my husband, and I own an MGB. Most people are selling their MGBs when they have young kids. John decided to buy one. It got us involved with MGs, got us involved with the New South Wales Club, and it got us driving around the world. When we drove from Bangkok to London in 2017, SAIC, the Shanghai Automotive Industrial Corporation, they own the MG brand and name, and so when they knew we were coming, they invited us to visit. So we went to the factory in Shanghai, saw where the new MGs were made, and the factory was amazing because of course it's so up to date and completely hands-free.